Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to view all notes you added to Instagram Reels and post in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Instagram on your device first. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on your activity. Go to Notes. If you're not sure how to add posts or reels to your note, make sure to check our video on that topic. Moving on, here you can find all the notes you added. And that is how to view all notes you added to Instagram Reels and posts. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.